Okay, so this is an unboxing video for the Tile Mate. This is one of the newer Tile products that actually has a replaceable battery. So I've just received this. This video is going to be an unboxing and a setup video. So the box just looks really cool. I quite like it. It's nice and simple. Tells you what it can do at the end. So you can ring your things, you can find your phone, or you can activate Community Find. And of course it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and then Apple and Android. So we're going to open up the box just by sliding this middle bit out here. And then this bit just lifts off. And then we've got the tile itself, so I'm going to take that out. And I'm just going to pop that down there. And I'm going to take this out as well. So then what we got is just the instructions and things need to get going. Just to give you a quick idea of size, I'm just going to put this tile near a business card. So this is a normal size business card or credit card. So it's not too big. It'll look a little bit bulky if you have it on your keys, but it's still relatively small. And the front of it looks like that, and the back of it looks like that. And that, of course, is where you put in your spare battery. So let's get it set up. Okay, so the first thing you need is to have the Tile app downloaded onto your phone. Once that screen opens up, you'll see two options. You can sign in if you've got some Tile devices already, or you can start setting up a new device. So we're going to hit Get Started, and we're going to choose Tile. And I'm going to sign it with Facebook just because it's nice and easy, and I do that quite a lot. And it's as simple as that. I've signed up. It's telling me to press the button on my tile, so I'm going to do that. What you can't hear is that it's now making a noise, and I'm putting it nice and close to my phone. And we're activated. It was as simple as that. So now we just have to select what your tile is attached to. So I'm going to use this for my luggage when I travel. I'm going to put it in my daily bag. So I'm just going to choose luggage. I'm going to hit this find button just to check that it's working. And it does indeed make a noise. And then once you hit done, you've got another opportunity here for the Find My Phone option. So if you tap the tile button twice, it will ring your phone. And there you go, you can see that works, and the volume was adjusted. So even if your phone's on silent, this works, which is a really nice feature to have. And then we just need to give it some location permissions because it needs to get the location off of your phone's Bluetooth. So we're going to click Always Allow for that. And then it wants to sell me Go Premium, which gives you a few extra features, which we'll just look through. It costs, after 1 month, about $3 a month or $30 for the year. Things like they send you out a battery, you get location history, there's an extended warranty, you can share it with other friends, and then there's some extra customer care. I'm not going to go for that for now because, to be honest, the kind of free version just gives me what I need, and batteries are pretty cheap. And then finally, I'm going to let it send me some notifications, and there you can see my tile device on my screen. So if I hit the Find button, that will make it make a noise. You can also add it to find with your voice using Siri shortcuts. And then location history is where you can see the current location of it. So if you lose something, you'd probably go into that option. So that's it. It's really easy to set up. You barely needed a tutorial, but hopefully that's given you a bit of confidence if that's what you were looking for. I'm going to do a full review in a few weeks' time, so do make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys again soon.